part of an awareness campaign launched by pharmaceutical company MSD. Medical and environmental experts in the UAE gathered in a roundtable event to discuss the serious health risks posed by sandstorms.
It's well known that allergic rhinitis have a very direct link to the allergens that comes with the sandstorm, whether it's viruses, bacteria, pollens, spores, etc. So the best advice is to stay at home as much as possible, not to be exposed to the sandstorm.
For more top stories, tune into Newsreel every Monday. This is Rachel Pether for Fast News.